You see? So when you was a kid, let's talk about kidly things you did. When you was a kid, did you play with your ears ever?
No.
No.
Yes.
You did. Did it feel good? It feel good, right? Okay. So I'm going to tell you something. Your ear. Every inch of blood goes through your ear every hour throughout the day. Now, how does the blood go from your heart to your brain? It has to travel through the neck, right? And when it goes through the neck, eventually it goes through the ear. And so every inch of blood is going through the ear. And every hour that happens. Every hour, all the blood in your body goes to your ear. That's one thing. Also, do you feel it? If you touch it, which is what I'm about to show you next. So I learned something called Chinese medicine. Your ear is like a upside down baby. Now, you can look this all up when we're finished. It's called ear reflexology. So the top of the earlobe is the feet of the baby. The back of the lobe is where the spine is. The bottom is like the legs, and the brain is right in the middle, right? So not only that, so that yes, it's like the baby. It looks just like a baby, doesn't it? Kind of, right? But there's these things called meridians, acupuncture meridians, right? So each part of your ear is connected to a different organ in your body. So when you massage your ear, you not only oxygenating your blood because you're getting heat, and you're getting heat to the surface of the skin and while the blood is going through it, but you're actually massaging your internal organs as you do it. So the best thing you could do for your mental health is massage your ear for 5 minutes every morning. Now, what does that do? It also helps with your beauty. This is the best way to stay young as well. Ear reflexology. So because there's a fitness Tai Chi part to this, I'm gonna get into that. So the first thing I want you to do is take your thumb, get your hands out, actually. Right now, not really. You can. And then now you're going to get your hands together and rub it really fast.
Friction.
Get some friction, generating some heat. What that does is, huh? So we're like the superconductor of electromagnetic energy. Now it's getting hot. So now I want you to take your thumb, and you're gonna stroke the back of the ear up and down. Well, maybe just up, letting it go, and then going back down and starting from there. Right? So you are literally massaging your spine. Right? So we're gonna do that for a couple more seconds. Now, as you do this, you start to feel more and more relaxed, right? You start to feel it. In the morning, you do this, wait 5 minutes, you get a burst of energy. You're not doing it. Okay, now we're gonna get the top of the earlobe. Right, with the thumb still, you're going to make a half circle on the top here, right? And if you don't remember all these, you could just massage the entire ear, however way you want. So just with your thumb, you're going in, making that little half circle. See that, like that? And then now, okay. This is called the tragus, this flap right here. You're gonna pull the tragus out. Like that. So like you're plucking it, right? Just the flap. No, not the flap. This part right here. This is called the tragus. Yeah. So you're just pulling that one out. This is actually the part where if you're stressed and anxious, you can do this and you'll be very well relaxed again. So now let's get in the center of the ear with your index finger, right? So just like this whole area, just rub it as much as you can. I clear my ear a lot because I'm always like also showing this. But you'll be, yeah. Now you're going to pull your earlobes, pull them down. What? Now let's get some more friction and more heat. So far, how do you feel? Feel relaxed, right? So that means you have control of how you feel. That's the number one thing, is that you always have control how you feel. You don't have control of your feelings. Like, you don't have control of the emotions, because they're energy and motion, they come and they go. But you have control in how you feel.